Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying device compatibility and gathering essentials, your Airtel number, ID, and the phone IMEI. Once done, open the Airtel Thanks app and sign in, or call customer care to request an eSIM conversion. Make sure your physical SIM is active and you have network access. This prevents delays during verification. You're initiating the eSIM process now, so select the eSIM option in the app and submit the required details or follow the agent's instructions over the call. Once you request the eSIM, Airtel verifies ownership with an OTP and basic KYC. Enter the OTP promptly and follow any prompts to upload ID if asked. Make sure you select the correct number to convert and accept the carrier profile terms. After verification, Airtel will generate an Esim QR code, sometimes visible in the app, sent by email, or provided as a printed QR at the store. Keep your network on and wait for the confirmation SMS, indicating the QR is ready. Now you scan and install the eSIM. Go to Settings, right arrow Mobile/Cellular Plans, right arrow Add eSIM, then point your camera at the Airtel QR. After scanning, install the new carrier profile and restart or toggle airplane mode. Make sure date and time are correct. Once you receive the activation SMS, test calls, SMS, and data. If something goes wrong, request a fresh QR from Airtel or try resetting network settings and ensuring your OS is up to date. That single trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.